you know. This one is thin, but it covers. Like, that's insane. Hey Furies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, KnoKnoFuri. And in today's video, we are going to be trying out a brand new hot spankin' fire foundation. You guys, I'm so geeked to be trying this foundation with you guys. Honestly, a little secret, I've tried it already before and it is fuego. But I want to show you guys on camera what it looks like and talk about it so you guys can know more. If this is your first time here, welcome. Here we love all things beauty, makeup related. And you know, join the Fury fam. We're pretty lit over here. So let's get into the video. This is the foundation that I'm going to be trying today, you guys. It is the new Hide foundation and it looks like this. Oh my gosh, the packaging is just so sleek and aesthetically pleasing. This is a new brand that has hit the streets, and you guys know I am open to trying new brands as long as they are good, okay? So this brand, you know, every brand has a message. This brand's message is basically being able to cover any and everything but not have that heavy feel. So if you have any tattoos, if you have any hyperpigmentation, redness, acne that you want to cover but you don't want that cakey feel, this is what Hide was made for. So let me go over a little bit more of the specs. And I also just want to stress, honestly, I cannot stress this enough. You guys know that I would never promote anything that I don't feel 100% about. I don't sugarcoat. Brands know this. I've told people no before just because I don't like their product. You know, I will only bring you guys the best, and I stand by that wholeheartedly. This foundation claims to be powerful and hide anything in seconds. It's supposed to be medium to full coverage, and it's supposed to be custom formulated for optimum coverage that lasts all day. So it's a long wear foundation as well. Lightweight, experience a perfectly natural and undetectable finish, then forget it's even there. It's supposed to be lightweight as air. Our concealing creams cover anything without the cakey baggage and weight. Long-lasting, breathable, and hydrating. It resists sweat, humidity, and works well with your skin all day long. You guys, oh my gosh, like, when they reached out to me, I'm gonna be real. Like, I'm not gonna say I didn't have high expectations, but when you see claims like that on a product, especially like foundation, concealer, powder, whatever, you're kind of just like, yeah, okay. But this foundation is so bomb. This is honestly my new foundation right now. It's so good, and I can't wait to show you guys. It does retail for $30, which is a pretty good price for your average foundation. It has 1 ounce of products. In my wholehearted and humble opinion, the shade range could use a little bit of work. I am the second to darkest shade in the range, and honestly, I'm not that, I mean, I'm pretty dark, but there are people that are darker than me and wouldn't be able to experience this foundation. So I hope Hide expands their shade range to be a little bit deeper for their more darker consumers. So we are very close and personal now. Hello. I'm going to go in with the foundation. By the way, I am in the shade Espresso. Yeah, I'm in the shade Espresso. I'm just going to be using my Real Techniques. It's the foundation brush. It's my Real Techniques buffing brush that I'm going to use to apply this today. I am priming my face with like a hydrating primer. Any hydrating primer or a smoothing primer that you have will work well with this foundation. It is so thin but powerful. So I'm gonna do one half of my face so you guys can see. This is the first side. This is where I have the most hyperpigmentation, as you guys can see. And then here's the other side. Honestly, I don't know which is worse. Looking back on this, I don't know. But I'm gonna do this side first so you guys can see. Take a little bit on my brush and oh my gosh. You guys, the formula of this foundation is so thin. It's literally like water thin, but it covers. Like, that's crazy to me. You guys know, or even if you don't know, the foundation that I have that has the highest coverage in my foundation collection is the KVD Lock-It foundation, and that foundation is very thick, can be very uncomfortable, clogs your pores sometimes. Nonetheless though, it is a good foundation, but it is thick, you know. This one is thin, but it covers. Like, that's insane. Look at that. That's crazy. Look at that. This is the side with the foundation. This is the side with none. Y'all, a lot of these indie brands and small brands are coming in and changing the game. Like, you don't have to spend $50, $60 on a luxury foundation for celebrity coverage, you know, red carpet quality. $30. $30. Doll hairs. Gonna do the other half of my face. This is what the full face looks like, you guys. I have on no concealer, I have on no contour. I have literally just the foundation on and my boy brows, like my natural brows with a little bit of filled in. This is perfect for someone who doesn't want to wear a lot of foundation. This is perfect for someone who doesn't want to do the contour highlight process. This is for you, okay? You literally put this on, put on your blush, put on your lip gloss, put on your lipstick, and you go. This is absolutely beautiful. It will cover your imperfections. It's very lightweight. It feels very, very, very light. It feels like, honestly, I don't have anything on. Absolutely beautiful, and it's very affordable for the price. Thank you so much, Hyde, for sending this foundation over for me to review, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. We're almost at 2K, and remember, you guys, stay furious. Bye.